This lecture is about the article quizzes for the articles Ahamed, published in 2007, and Dao, published in 2010. First, Ahamed, published in 2007. This is table number 1. This is the baseline and 12-month change for some descriptive variables for boys and girls in two groups, the usual practice group and the intervention group. If you want to look in the paper and see exactly what the intervention group was asked to do, you can do that. And usual practice is the control group in this case. You can see that the variables are listed down the left-hand side, and then the numbers are presented for the girls and the boys, and then for the girls and boys combined under the column labeled All. In the footnote, you can see that the numbers in the table are means, and in parentheses, standard deviation. I want to draw your attention to the bottom footnote. There's a little asterisk, and it says boys greater than girls, p less than 0.05. And so in this table, what they've done is they've done a comparison between boys and girls, and they've highlighted anything that is statistically significant. So your job now is to look through the table to find where the stars are, or where the star is, to figure out which variables are significantly different between boys and girls. If something is not starred, then that difference is not big enough to be statistically significantly different. Here's table 2, and table 2 shows the baseline and adjusted mean follow-up total academic performance scores for boys and girls in the usual practice and the intervention group. So in this study, they looked at academic performance. They measured it at baseline, and they measured it at the end of the observation period. They call it follow-up. So the first row of data are the baseline scores, and the next row of data are the adjusted mean values for the follow-up total score for this academic performance. Again, they're showing boys and girls, but then they also show all boys and girls combined for usual practice, and then all boys and girls combined for intervention also. So if you look at the footnotes, you'll also see that they are telling you what they've starred as statistically significant. So they have a star, and they say control greater than intervention. So remember, the control is the usual practice. So the control is greater than intervention, comma, p equal to 0.001. So they're telling you what is statistically significant, and so you look through the table and find where the results came out to be significantly different. And so whatever is not starred, therefore, is not statistically significantly different. On to the next article. In this paper, Dao, 2010, they did some group comparisons, and in this case, they divided up their group of people into 4 groups. And so these are labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first group were people who had heart disease and suffered from depression. In group 2, these people suffered from depression but did not have coronary heart disease. Group number 3, these people had heart disease but were not depressed. And then the final group were people who didn't have either of these conditions, no heart disease, no depression. And so they compared these groups for all of the characteristics that are listed down on the left-hand side. Now, though they don't really specifically say it, I would have to assume that these are numbers which are means, and they are standard deviations, which are in parentheses. I would just assume that, because most of the time that's how these things are presented. If these were something other than that, you would think that they would report it. So I'm going to assume that these are means and standard deviations. The mean is the number, and the standard deviation is in parentheses right below it. You can see that there's a column labeled P, giving you the statistical significance for each comparison. So, for example, the 4 groups were compared for their ages, and that p-value was 0.011. The next line was education. They were compared in their education, and that p-value came out to be 0.169. So there are many variables that were compared, but the comparison was between the 4 groups, and that was the p-value under the column labeled P. And then the last column is called post hoc. And as you know, the p-value is from the analysis of variance, and the post hoc test tells you specifically which groups are different. And so in this column, they are telling you specifically which group was different from which. And they tell you that in the post hoc column. So this is the Dao article. So these two articles are your articles for this week, and they each have a quiz, and the quiz is 5 points for the Ahamed and 5 points for the Dao, and those two combined will make up your quiz score for this week. Good luck.